Nissan Frontier 2005 camshaft sensor. You're gonna need a 10mm socket. Pull off the filter cover, and then the camshaft it'll be on the back side of the motor, and it's gonna be this one right here. So there's a bolt. This is the bolt. It's been loose already, so I'm just gonna take it off. And this little bitty thing right here is the one that's causing the problem. As you can see, it's oil on it, and that's probably making a short on the harnesses. Now when you go to buy it, they're gonna give you something like this, which is a different one. It's metal made. It does the same thing, but it's just the metal don't prevent to the short again. So now you know what it is. All you gotta do is just put it back and put the bolt harness. That's it. Now your crank shaft sensor is a different one, which is gonna be right beside the oil filter. You see the oil filter right there? Crankshaft position sensor. That's the one right there. Sorry about my but I don't speak English very well, so but I hope you understand where the sensor goes. It's right there. It's the same socket, and there's a video on YouTube that it shows you how to do it, but on that video you have to pull out the tire and take the screws of this plastic, take it off so you can go through here. But I think it's a little bit hard, and I think it'll be better if you just pull out the filter, pull the filter out, just go through here. But either way, you can watch the video on YouTube for the crankshaft, and what I just showed you on the back side of the motor is the camshaft sensor. So here it is. If you know how to do it, you're saving $300.